presence of new distributed energy resources like solar, like batteries, and like electric vehicles. They have the same impact on DSM programs, just like they have on grid planning. What used to be focus was energy efficiency primarily, and the part of focus was saving, let's say, 2% of the energy. However, once a consumer puts a solar on their roof, it is no longer in their mind to try and save the last $5 because in my mind, I'm producing my own energy. The paradigm of saving that small amount of energy actually converts into something else. So now the problem will shift from reducing the consumption to when does the consumer use it. When the ample amount of energy is available because sun is shining bright, you can use as much energy as you want if there is supply. So the problem of demand side management will shift from saving 2% or 5% of energy to actually how to influence consumer behavior to when use it. And that is somewhat known as flexible demand in the industry, or flex demand.